Hello everyone, thank you very much for taking time to watch this video. The reason why you need this indicator is that you'll be able to understand the market with the charts, because a lot of people enter the market blindly. They don't know where to go, how to trade, how to follow it. As it is blank, like you won't be able to understand. So there was a previous video I downloaded, I posted, that will show you how to set up the mobile indicator. Just for instance, somebody can simply enter the market as the market is like this. It's a kind of it's not settled in here, especially here, if you can see it here. So the best option is to wait until the market is stable, just like in here. In here is a kind of slopey here. One will be able to understand that it's slopey, so you can simply place a trade here. But in here, somehow roving. You can't be able to place a trade. If you place a trade, you can simply lose. So that was the reason I sent the other video. So I want you guys to subscribe to my video so I can be able to download more videos, post more videos. Okay, so that is the reason. I'm just sending this video to back up the previous one that I've sent before, so that we'll be able to understand. With this, you'll be able to know how the market goes. So I don't know if you get me. As at here, it's not good to venture into the market. You can see all this. If you try it, you can simply lose. So that is why I have to send this video to be able to explain the other video. So don't just trade blankly. Okay, go and download MT5 from our Play Store and set up that indicators I show you, so you'll be able to read and understand the market. Then if you also need my guide on the position to enter and come outside of the market, okay, the winning position, I will show you the video. I will send the video to you, but the price is 6,000 naira. So you're ready with the price, just go and download the video. So I will send the video for you. I'll send a link for you. You go and pay the money and download the video there. That's simple. You don't send money to my account. So that's how it is. So if you're interested on how to enter the market, how to trade successfully without fear, just send me a message. I'll send you a link where you can download the video for 6,000 naira. Thank you very much. We are not here to play, we are here for business. So if you're interested in this business this new year, so I will advise you to do it that way. Thank you very much. Keep on watching. Please subscribe to this video, because I will send you an helpful tip helpful tips on how to win in this market. So thank you very much, and bye bye.